Hello everyone, it is Ultra Vilmatic here, and we are going to be playing The Legend of Zelda Triforce Heroes, but we're playing the Dino Trials Part 4. Where we left off last time, we are going to begin. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and enter the game. Alright, let's start game. Here we go. Alright, we're back again, and let's walk to single player, I guess. Alright, we are back, and we're going into single player mode. So, here we go. Alright, now we have all our pupils. Let's go onto this Triforce. The Triforce of Legend. Even though nope. I'm going to go as let's go with Peppercrust. So here it is. I've done this one before. I just didn't do gameplay with you guys once again. So next time I promise I won't do that. So here we go. Alright, I hope we do not fail. Why did I choose these clothes? I shouldn't use the ice. What's that called? The cup gloves. No, I'm just going to switch to fire dust. Here. Alright. Yes. I'm just going to say this part is very easy. I don't know how I got hit. But we finished this one. Just going to Triforce. Grab Red Link. Oh, whatever. Oh, I hate this part. Alright. Oh man, I did that. Leave me alone. Ah, stop moving. Oh, I'm gonna skip. Sorry, no, I'm going to skip here. Alright? So I can get this guy. I've done it! I lost so many hearts. I don't know what a fire thing is doing in ice level, but okay. It was so funny how I fought this thing though. I actually threw links at them like this. And it died from that for some reason. See, look, it's dead now. So, yeah. No! I lost 2 hearts, I only have 1 left. Don't fail me now. Zone 3. I've got this. I hope. Oh crap. Oh. Why? Why? Alright, I've got this. And if you have you seen the ghosts? They really look like Link. Gosh, that it's crazy. Oh no. Nope. No! Come on, I hate losing hearts. Alright, if I was good at this, it'd be easier. I hate recording while doing this. Oh man. Oh, I'm going to pause here and finish this course part thing. Hello again. Actually died, fainted, and switched to cozy park because now I can do this and without slipping. And then as you know, no. Oh, come on. I hate those link goes in the car like that. No! Hello, I made it to the end. I only skipped, how many parts did I skip? Like 2 or 1. And I lost 1 fairy. But I'm going to regain that fairy. And, not that hard. Just gotta open a treasure chest. And then be awesome. Why? Alright. Which ones did I choose? 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. I don't know which one to choose. I'm gonna pick 1. Yes! You serious? Oh, whatever. Alright, this gameplay is almost over, even though I skipped a bunch. Don't know how much, but I did it. Alright. I've got a mock fairy. So, I'm about to end this with a big, well, a big finale, I guess. I made something for my channel. It was what's that called? I made an animation for my channel. It was supposed to be the trailers for my channel, like the beginning video, but I did it on Flipnote Animation 3D. But if you have Flipnote Animation 3D, can you please tell me about it? Because I feel like I'm the only person on my family who has it. So this is how the next one will look like in the next gameplay. And I hope I see you there. And my friend code is right there on the bottom left once again if you want to battle me or well, play together, I guess. And Ultravelmatic out.
Thank you.